All right, for lesson 4, we're going to talk about preparation and organization of your model. This is kind of all the prep that needs to take place before you really get into depth with actual modeling. But the first thing that I do want to talk about is installing plugins in a little bit more depth. On your large tool set, you've got this extension manager button. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. And this shows you all of the extensions that are downloaded to your Sketchup software, and then they'll tell you if it's enabled here or disabled. What we're going to do is install an extension we're going to use in the next lesson that's going to be helpful for CAD cleanup. It's made by Dynasketch. It's a great CAD cleanup tool button that I've used that is just better than the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. And this is something that I downloaded from their website directly. So this wasn't in the extension warehouse. It wasn't in the extension store. Actually, you have to pay to get this extension, but I do have it saved as an RBZ file on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it and get it ready for our next lesson. So if we go to install extension, find the folder that it's under. I keep everything under, something called Sketchup plugs. And I've used it, I kept it under, 2021. I need to update that, but here's what the RBZ that we're looking for file, and it's called Dynascape. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's an RBZ file, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And it's easy as that. So it's in there now. Here it is. We'll say unassigned. If you wanted to delete that, just go to the manage button over here, and then you can uninstall it. You can update these. Every once in a while, you'll get pop-ups for your extensions telling you that you need to update them. So just kind of keep an eye on that. It's always good to have the most updated plugin extension that you can. So here's what that would look like. Under extensions right over here, the drop down, I've got it under Dynascape tools, and this is what we're going to get into in the next lesson. So we'll take a look at that and see how that works. But that's really it for extensions and how to manage them. It's pretty easy, nothing too crazy. I think once you kind of start doing more of them, you'll get the hang of it. With Extension Warehouse, if you type in something in here, I mean, we can just do, I don't know, 3D Bazaar. I don't think I've ever downloaded that. And then we hit install. Do you want to install this extension? I said yes. Extension has been successfully installed and now available for use. Hit OK. And we'll X out of that if it lets me. There we go. And then that's what usually happens is that little button just kind of pops up, and then you just can put it in your toolbar. So I don't know anything about this. I haven't even tried it out, but maybe it's a good one. We'll see. So that should do it for this video.